Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. Did you know you can make your own fire alarm at home with just a few things? It's easier than you might think. In this video, we'll learn how to build a DIY fire alarm from scratch. It's a simple and rewarding project. This is a fun project that could also save lives. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you built something that keeps your family safe. Lots of homes don't have good fire safety measures in place. This is a serious issue. Regular smoke detectors can be pricey and hard to keep working. That's a problem many people face, but a homemade fire alarm can be customized just for your house, and it's cheaper too. Plus, it's a great learning experience. Keeping our families and homes safe is really important. We all want to protect our loved ones. We lock our doors and try to stop accidents from happening. But what about fire safety? Fire is a big danger that we don't always think about enough. It can happen to anyone, anytime. Fires can start suddenly and spread really fast, causing lots of damage and even loss of life. There are professional fire alarms, but they can be expensive and tricky to install. Not everyone can afford them. That's where our DIY fire alarm comes in. It's affordable, easy to make, and effective. By learning some simple electronics, you can make your home safer and have an early warning if there's a fire. Let's get started. Before we build our fire alarm, let's gather all the essential components we need to ensure our project is a success. You'll need a breadboard, jumper wires, a 9-volt battery, a battery clip, a smoke sensor, and a buzzer. These are the building blocks of our safety device. You can find these components at an electronics store or order them online for convenience. The breadboard is like the base of our alarm system. It allows us to connect all the parts without the need for soldering. It's a versatile platform that makes prototyping easy and efficient. Jumper wires are like the roads of our circuit, carrying electricity between the different parts. They come in various colors and lengths, making it easy to organize and connect components. The 9-volt battery provides the necessary power for our alarm, and the battery clip makes it easy to connect and disconnect the battery as needed. The smoke sensor is the most crucial part of our alarm system. It continuously monitors for smoke, which is an early indicator of fire. The buzzer emits a loud noise to alert us if there's any danger, ensuring we can respond quickly. Now that we have gathered all the necessary components, we are ready to start building our fire alarm. Let's get started. Now, let's build the circuit. This is an exciting project that will help keep your home safe. Put the smoke sensor on the breadboard, making sure the plus and minus signs are in the right spots. This ensures the sensor works correctly. Next, attach jumper wires to the battery and the buzzer, checking the plus and minus signs again. Proper connections are crucial for the circuit to function. Connect the positive wire from the battery clip to the positive side of the breadboard and the negative wire to the negative side. This step powers the entire circuit. This makes the electricity flow through our circuit, enabling all components to work together. Now, connect one side of the buzzer to the positive side of the breadboard and the other side to the positive side of the smoke sensor. This will allow the buzzer to sound when smoke is detected. Finally, connect the negative side of the smoke sensor to the negative side of the breadboard. This completes the circuit. That's it. Our fire alarm is ready for testing. Let's see how it works. The smoke sensor is now on and watching for smoke. It's always on guard. When smoke gets in the sensor, it will make the buzzer go off and warn us. This immediate alert can save lives. Be careful with the parts and don't let any wires touch that shouldn't. Safety first to ensure everything works perfectly. Now it's time to test our fire alarm. Light a candle and carefully hold it near the smoke sensor. When the smoke goes into the sensor, the buzzer should make a loud noise. That means it works. This shows that our project isn't just wires and parts, it's a real safety device that can warn us about a fire. Making this fire alarm is just the first step to a safer home. Remember to test your alarm regularly, change the battery every year, and keep the sensor clean. Fire safety is important, and by doing these things, you can protect your family and make your home safer. If you liked this project, check out our other DIY electronics video for more fun things to build.